Hi, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market, where we're going to find out what a budget of $2,500 can get us in the market this week. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard.
Hey, morning.
Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Well, the price of things are go back and forth, you know. Because more food coming in the market now. So because more food come, the price are go fluctuate. Certain things there, certain things cheap. So
Like what?
like pine and grape and you know, so in a vegetable line not much no they so cheap, like kale and them something there, but otherwise than that, people can come to market and get a good deal.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.